for yourself. But then again, those people who are doing it offline, like you have to again follow the same strict guidelines and the timings, what I'm going to tell you. And it will be 18 minutes, matlab exact 18 minutes. I don't want any interference from anyone. Like I would be muting everyone. Okay. So सभी लोग को, and it's very easy to follow basically. कुछ है नहीं उसमें. It's a very simple exercise what you are going to do. Everyone's clear with this?
Yeah.
Cool. So shall we start our day 5 today?
I think Geeta is trying to join in.
Acha, okay.
Give her
So shall we wait for another 2 minutes for people to join in, because
Yeah, she's joining in now. She had a problem with the link, I suppose. I just shared it with her. She may join in now.
oh, okay. And the both of you, the volunteers, Neeraj ji and Mayur ji, आप लोग को क्या चाहिए? You can think about it and keep your pen and papers ready.
It is there.
Okay.
Sara, what is the purpose of this?
If suppose you want to start something and you have been like delaying it or you have been procrastinating it, na? So this is a very simple technique which will help you to start anything in your life, whatever it may be.
And could it be anything like, it doesn't have to be, it can be self-improvement also. It can be anything like that.
Yeah, as I
Or it
told
has
you,
to be-
like suppose you want to read books and you are not reading books and you want to keep that habit, you want to start that habit of reading books. So you can do this exercise for that also.
All right, done.
So anything it is related to.
I just need to write down those things which I want to do, which I'm not doing it, which I'm procrastinating basically.
Yes, exactly. Right? You have to take only one thing right now, not multiple things.
Okay, but not multiple.
Yeah, as of now, only one thing we'll be doing. So the same task, you can do it for your other things also, but then abhi we will only focus on one particular thing, जो आप लोग को करना है, but then you are not able to do for XYZ reason or whatever it is. So yes, Naiji has also joined in and Geeta ji has also joined in now.
Yes, hi, sorry,
Yeah,
I just
hi.
couldn't get through. It was not connecting only, it was like host is waiting.
Acha.
It happened same with me only. Even I was not able to join, log out.
हाँ,
थोड़ा revise कर दो.
कुछ नहीं किया अभी तक. I'm just telling, I'm teaching one technique called as 18-minute का simple technique to start anything in your life. Suppose if you want to start reading book. एक मिनट, अभी तिवारी जी आ रहे हैं, अभी तिवारी जी को आन दो, फिर मैं वापस बोलना पड़ेगा मेरे को. तिवारी जी. तिवारी जी.
तिवारी जी का नेटवर्क लैग करता है.
हाँ. ठीक है, आई गेस उनको आपको सुनाई दे रहा है तिवारी जी? तो जस्ट टाइप इन यस. हाँ,
सुनाई दे रहा है.
गुड ठीक है. चलो अभी सबके लिए फाइनली एक और बार मैं वापस बोलता हूँ. अभी हम लोग एक टेक्निक करने वाले, 18 मिनट्स का टेक्निक है ये. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ 18 मिनट्स रूल टेक्निक टू स्टार्ट एनीथिंग इन योर लाइफ. इट कैन बी एज लिटिल और एज सिंपल एज लाइक आपको बुक्स रीड करनी है एवरीडे, तो आप उसके लिए भी ये टेक्निक को यूज कर सकते हो. तो आई हैव टेकन नाउ 2 वॉलंटियर्स लिए मैंने, मयूर जी और नीरज जी को. ठीक है, तो एग्जैक्टली मैं टाइम के साथ आई विल गो विद दिस. तो मैं अगर 1 मिनट बोलता हूँ तो आपको 1 मिनट में वो चीज को करनी है. 2 मिनट बोलता हूँ तो 2 मिनट में करनी है. 5 मिनट बोलता हूँ तो आपको 5 मिनट लेने हैं वो चीज को करने के लिए. एंड सभी लोग अपनी अपनी टास्क करेंगे. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग 2 लाइव एग्जाम्पल सो दैट it's easy for you to do that and for everyone to understand. And I'm going to mute everyone for the next 18-20 minutes जो भी है. After that I will be taking everyone's question. आप सभी के questions after 18 minutes 20 minutes के बाद लिए जाएंगे. So don't unmute. अब वैसे तो अभी आप अगर मैं mute कर दूंगा तो किसको भी unmute करने होगा नहीं. ठीक है, everyone's clear with this? Just type in C guys so that I can. ठीक है. So now I'm muting everyone so that you guys won't be able to unmute yourself. And everyone give at least 18 to 20 minutes of yours to yourself. Tell your family members not to disturb you. And आपके जितने भी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन है, जो भी डिस्टरबेंस है सबको म्यूट करके रख दीजिए, मोबाइल को, लैपटॉप को, जो भी है, व्हाटएवर इट इज। ठीक है, तो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट ऑफ गाइस। चलो एक मिनट, या सो नाउ मयूर जी और नीरज जी, मैं अभी सिर्फ इनके नाम बोल रहा हूँ, बट देन एवरीवन हैव टू डू दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑन देयर ओन। मैं टाइमिंग भी चालू कर रहा हूँ, एक सेकेंड, एंड मैं टाइमर देख के आप लोग से बात करूंगा। नो माई सी, ठीक है। सो नाउ मयूर जी और नीरज जी, आई वांट यू टू क्लोज योर आईज and we will take exactly 1 minute to think about one task which you want to do. Exactly 1 minute लेंगे उसके लिए। We are on 20:53 right now. Great. It's been 1 minute. Now you can open your eyes. Now for the next 2 minutes, you have to think about what all things you can do about to do this thing. आपको सभी आपके फीलिंग्स को, आपके थॉट्स को, आपके इमोशंस को ऑब्जर्व करना है, आपके मन में क्या आ रहे हैं। Okay, you have to think about it. Pay attention to all the emotions. Remember this. Okay, आपको जो भी thoughts आ रहे हैं उसके बारे में, and then I will tell you what to do. Observe and remember all the thoughts which are coming to you, all the emotions which are coming in your mind, in your body. Observe all of them. ग्रेट. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट आपके मन में जो भी ये इमोशंस, थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स जो भी आई है, आपको उनको सबको 1 मिनट के अंदर आपके बुक में लिखना है. अभी राइट डाउन ऑल द इमोशन, थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स विच केम टू यू राइट नाउ as briefly as you can. या मयूर जी, आपको जो भी इमोशंस आए, थॉट्स आए, फीलिंग्स आए, वो चीजों को सबको आपको लिखना है आपके ये पेपर में. आपके पास जो बुक है अभी उसमें लिखो. एज डिटेल में आप लिख सकते हो ना उसको, ब्रीफली यू हैव टू राइट इट. I will another 30 seconds I will give you. Ten seconds more. Great, stop. Now, the next step would be, I want all of you to think about why you want to do this. मैं सभी लोग, आप लोग अभी एक बार आंख बंद करेंगे 1 मिनट के लिए और सोचेंगे कि आपको ये टास्क जो भी आपने अभी चूज किया है, why you want to do this, आपको सभी के बेनिफिट्स और गेन्स को सोचना है. एंड हाउ इज योर लाइफ गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट once you do this task. I will give you 1 minute. The time starts now. आंख बंद करके सोचिए उसको पहले. Twenty seconds to go. Stop. Now, अभी आप लोग ने जो भी थॉट्स सोचे हैं, जो भी बेनिफिट्स है, जो भी गेन आपको है, आपकी लाइफ कैसी होगी डिफरेंटली, वो सब चीज को आपको बुक में लिखना है आपके 1 मिनट में. स्टार्ट. लिखिए उसको एज ब्रीफली एज, जितना ब्रीफली लिख सकते हो, विथ ऑल योर इमोशंस, फीलिंग्स जो भी आपको आ रहे हैं सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के थ्रू. यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन. 10 seconds to go. Stop. नाउ अभी आप लोग को क्या करना है, लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. आप लोग को अभी आपके मोबाइल उठाने हैं. यू हैव टू कॉल 2 पीपल. सुनो क्या करना है, उन दोनों को फोन करना है. नो हाई हेलो कुछ भी नहीं बोलना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू टेल देम कि आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू डू दिस टास्क करके. बस. यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक हाई हेलो कैसे, क्या है, खाना क्या है, वो सब यू डोंट हैव टू डू राइट नाउ. यू जस्ट हैव टू टेल देम कि like Saurabh, hi, I have decided to do this task करके and so task I am planning to do from tomorrow करके and this is the benefit I think I will be getting it from it करके. Exactly 2.5 minutes you have to talk to one person. Go. I am starting resetting the clock. I will give you 5 minutes. 2 लोग से बात कीजिए, किसको भी. एक फ्रेंड हो सकता है आपका, एक क्रिटिक होगा तो क्रिटिक को कॉल कीजिए और उसको बोलिए. इट्स लाइक कौन बनेगा करोड़पति का 30 सेकंड मिलता है ना, दैट वे यू हैव टू टॉक. नो हाई हेलो एंड ऑल, बीवी बच्चे कैसे, खाना खाया, ये किया वो क्या, नो. Four minutes to go. One minute to go for the first call. फर्स्ट कॉल खत्म होना चाहिए नेक्स्ट 1 मिनट के अंदर. Thirty seconds to go for the first call. It's over. You can disconnect the call. Go on the second call. One and a half minute to go for the second call. 1.5 मिनट बाकी है सेकंड कॉल के लिए. 30 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. Done, guys. Say tata bye bye to your friends. Cool. Now, everyone, close your eyes once again and think about 3 actions which you think you can start doing it from today onwards before going to bed. And I will give you 30 seconds for that. Start. सभी एक्शंस को सोचिए जो आप आज रात से ये टास्क को चालू करने के लिए कर सकते हो. इट कैन बी वेरी स्मॉल थिंग, लाइक सपोज मेरे को बुक रीड करना है तो मैं बुक लेके आऊंगा, बुक का फर्स्ट पेज पढ़ूंगा या पैराग्राफ पढ़ूंगा, वॉट एवर इट इज. थिंक अबाउट द एक्शंस आपको जो लगता है. एकदम डिटेल में सोचिए वो एक्शंस के बारे में. व्हाट यू कैन टेक, मिनिमम 3. Great. Now for the next 1 minute, you have to write these actions in your book again fast. जो भी actions आपने आपके मन में सोचा है 1 minute में आपको उसको लिखना है. Within 1 minute. More 20 seconds to go. Done. Now the last and final step would be आपने जो भी 3-4 actions लिखे हैं अभी उसमें से I will give you another 2 minutes. उसमें आपको वो एक action जो भी लिखा है you have to do now which you feel कि it's possible for you to do right now. अभी ऐसा है, suppose मैंने book reading का लिखा है तो मेरे पास book है तो I will get that book and I will read at least 1 paragraph of it. कुछ भी हो सकता है वो, whatever your task is, at least one thing you have to do now. I will give you 3 minutes for this. One and a half minutes more to go. 1 minute to go. Thirty more seconds to go. Sure. 10 more seconds, and then we are done. It's done, guys. Everyone can come back.
Can I ask something, Saurabh?
Sorry?
Can I ask something?
Yes.
Are we done with the process?
Yes, we are done.
I want to know that ये काम हम केवल कोई ऐसी हॉबीज या कोई काम के लिए कर सकते हैं या हम कोई भी चीज के लिए कोई चीज को सोच सकते हैं?
Anything you want to do. कुछ भी anything on the earth you want to do, आपको सोचना है कि आप करना चाहते हो, but then आप कर नहीं पा रहे हो, तो you can do this. Like you can tell your kids also, suppose if they are feeling like they don't want to study maths or they don't want to study science and they're delaying it, procrastinating, tell them to do this exercise. Tell them to call their friends or someone or their teacher or someone. जिनको you don't give them option, you just tell them दो लोग को किसको भी call करो और बात करो and give them the specific time frames जैसा मैंने अभी आपको दिया. If once everyone is back, let me know. We will discuss on this.
Yeah, back.
Good.
I'm back.
We were also participating.
Yeah, that's what. इसके लिए मैं बोला था सबको participate करना है उसमें. Good, you participated. So when you called your friends or relatives को आपने जब phone किया तो what did they tell you? What was their reaction? Like क्या पागल हो गया अचानक से? What is he talking about? And why are you telling me?
I had both.
अच्छा.
I immediately called hubby, so he says, क्या काम धंधा नहीं है क्या? ये सब करके बैठेगी.
Okay.
Then I called my son. Said,
अच्छा.
yeah, I think you should do it. You should be enterprising. You should do things. How long
Wow.
you're going to give everything free? Free fund में सब लोगों को कितना बांटती रहेगी ज्ञान?
Correct.
So charge them nominal 5,999 करो. ऐसा कुछ करो, but then give it like that बोल रहा था.
Right, good.
So it's a mixed opinion from both.
Superb. And how many of you are feeling now really motivated that yes, I want to do this task, whatever I have thought of? Just type in I if you are really feeling motivated to do that now. Gaurav ji, Neeraj ji. Oh, almost everyone. Mayur ji तो लग भी गए अपने काम में. तिवारी जी. Okay. Superb. So Any questions anyone has got, guys, so that I can go ahead with the another topic?
What's the logic for behind when we are sharing with the two persons
All
close
right.
to us?
Good. I'm glad you asked it. I was just waiting for that कि कोई पूछ क्यों नहीं रहा है करके. The logic behind that is that whenever you say something to others ना, you become answerable to them. Now कल को he will ask you, अरे नीरज जी उस दिन तो बड़ा ऐसे कॉल करके मेरे को बोला था बुक पढ़ना है, कितना बुक पढ़ा तुमने करके बताओ मेरे को करके. And the moment he asks you that and you are saying अरे मैं कुछ नहीं किया, तो you will feel ashamed of yourself now. Because you have told it to two other people. Now they are going to भले वो चिढ़ाने के लिए कुछ भी करने के लिए they will poke you now. अरे क्या किया क्या तूने किया क्या चालू किया करके. Because till now it was only with you. You never shared it with anyone. Now since two people know this, so they will be behind you for sure. Like within next 3-4 days, 5 days, or randomly they will call you and ask, "अरे did you do that exercise? Did you do that task? What you were supposed to do करके." And if you still don't do, so that time you will realize, अरे no मेरे को करना चाहिए करके. Then you will do that eventually.
Yes,
So
yes.
that is the only logic behind that.
There is an example, all will correlate, you know. When we talk about the network marketing industry,
Right.
we've seen the examples when what people have done is just say, you know how it works, you know, what's the potential. So luxury cars and all, they are very small things.
Right.
So what they do is वो मोहल्ले में जाकर के और घोषणा कर देते हैं ना, they just declare I'm going to get a x amount of car worth this much with on a such and such date, you know.
Right.
And they just declare it, maybe a reasonable date, 2 years or 3 years, you know, when they get the growth and everything.
Right.
And then it's there in the town, you know, so everybody is going to poke you. So कब आ रही है वो ऑडी जो भी है.
Absolutely, that is what it is.
तो तिवारी जी के साथ और लागू क्या तिवारी जी?
जी सर जी.
हाँ बोलिए तिवारी जी.
अरे मैं ये बुक का जो टास्क आपने दिया हो, तो जैसे मैं बुक तो वैसे भी फेवरेट, मेरा बुक तो बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ता हूँ. अभी थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब था, पर आपने फिर से प्रेरित कर दिया है. तो अभी जैसे मैं एक बुक लाया था, नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग किया, रिच डैड एंड पुअर डैड. तो उसको मैं फॉलो करता हूँ.
ओके. रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी.
जी जी यस यस, बहुत अच्छी बुक है साहब, वो उसमें है, वो फॉलो करता हूँ सर.
वेरी गुड.
तो अभी उसके क्या, तो उसके विचारों को क्या अपन फॉलो करें?
वो करना ही चाहिए अगर अपने को
नहीं वो तो नेटवर्क मार्केट में उतारा है तो वो करना ही है ना. जी बिल्कुल, बहुत गाइडलाइन बहुत अच्छा है साहब, बहुत सुंदर जी. और अब तो इन लोगों ने ऐसा पकड़ा दिया है, दोनों लोगों ने, ये दोनों गुरु लोगों ने ऐसा पकड़ा दिया, अब तो कहीं जा ही नहीं सकते हैं.
आप तो पकड़ के छोड़ना, बस पकड़ के रहो.
हाँ वो मैंने कल बोल भी दिया था ना.
सही बात है, बिल्कुल.
वो वाला हो गया ना, मतलब दिल में वो वाला है ना, वो क्या कहते हैं वो, अरे देखो दिमाग से नहीं आ रहा, अभी बताऊंगा आपको मैं.
कोई बात नहीं.
ठीक है चलिए. तो अभी everyone has got the idea exactly अपन ने एक्सरसाइज क्यों किया. आप ये चीज को किसी भी चीज के लिए कर सकते हो, फॉर एनी डैम थिंग ऑन द अर्थ. आपको कुछ भी टास्क कराना है आपके फैमिली वालों से या आपके बच्चों से, आपके फ्रेंड्स से, यू कैन टेल देम. मेनी अ टाइम योर फ्रेंड्स आल्सो विल कम टू, अरे आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दिस, मैं ये नहीं कर, मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, वो कर रहा हूँ. तो गिव देम दिस एक्सरसाइज एज पर जैसे मैंने आपको अभी टाइम फ्रेम में सिखाया. एग्जैक्टली इट टुक एग्जैक्टली 18 मिनट्स, अपन को 20 मिनट्स लगे बिकॉज आई वाज टेलिंग यू आल्सो. एंड देन वो कॉल का मैंने 30 सेकंड्स, वो कोरोना के ट्यून्स बजते तो इसके लिए आई हैव गिवन एवरीवन एक्स्ट्रा फॉर दैट टाइम कॉल में. सो इसके लिए अपन को कुछ लगभग 20 मिनट्स लगे ये करने को टास्क को. ठीक है.
आपने क्या एग्जैक्टली बताया था लास्ट में? आई डिडंट गेट दैट पार्ट में, एक्चुअली मैं कॉल पे अटक गया था.
वो लास्ट में वही था कि एक जो भी आपने 3 टास्क लिखे ना, जो आप आज रात से करने वाले हो,
जो उसमें से एक किया
टास्क. हाँ बस वही एक टास्क आज करना है. अभी कल से यू हैव टू फॉलो एवरीथिंग.
ओके
टास्क है, यू हैव टू फॉलो दोस टास्क एवरी डे टू गेट योर टारगेट कंप्लीटेड, योर टारगेट अचीव. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू नाउ.
ठीक है, गॉट इट.
And since you already have now the accountability partners, आपने आप दो लोग को ऑलरेडी बात कर चुके हो, तो
हाँ,
now वो लोग भी आपको पूछेंगे कभी ना कभी, तो you have to be ready.
right.
तो इसके लिए
Okay.
start doing it from tomorrow.
Okay.
ठीक है? Everyone's clear with this, guys, so that I can move ahead.
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. ठीक है. तो now अभी I am going to do another task with you. This is again सभी को करना है ये, and ये अपना है मनी ब्लूप्रिंट जो मैंने कल बात किया था आप लोग से.
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो today now I am sharing that money blueprint with everyone, but then we will be writing down the things what we have to write on that money blueprint. तो ये आज मैं आप लोग को WhatsApp में शेयर भी कर दूंगा. You can take a A4 size print out इसका, and फिर अपन अभी उसमें जो जो कॉलम्स है फिल करना है वो सब अभी अपन आज फिल करेंगे. एंड देन ऑन द एक्चुअल विजन बोर्ड जब अपन करने वाले हैं तभी अपन उसको एक्चुअल में लिखेंगे लाइव तभी. ठीक है. तो लेट मी शेयर द मनी ब्लूप्रिंट विथ यू गाइस. Can everyone see this?
It's a small, sorry.
It's full.
Very small.
Enlarge it, you know.
Yes.
Okay, let me see this.
Download and, you got to download.
Okay, just give me a moment.
You can just click on that, it will expand, I think so.
Yeah, like
Sure.
that. It has to be downloaded, no?
अभी क्या expand दिख रहा है अभी?
No, we can see your actual screen. Means your Gmail.
अच्छा, you can't see this. बड़ा
No,
क्या है?
it's your Gmail which is visible. That is your browser.
Okay, let me do
वो
this.
शेयर वापस करना पड़ेगा. You have to-
Yes. Just a moment. I will do that.
Final जो screen है that.
हाँ,
you have
मैं
to
डाउनलोड करके उसको करता हूँ. एक सेकंड. Now can you see this?
Yes, now it is there.
Okay. Alright. So अभी सबको दिख रहा
You'll be
है.
sending it to us, will you?
Yes. I will be sending it to you all on the WhatsApp group. I will be sharing it to you.
Okay.
ठीक है. So this is called as your Neuro Money Mastery Blueprint, guys. ठीक है. तो इसमें what you have to do first में आपको आपका नाम लिखना है. This is the place. I will use the pen just. So this my name लिखा है, उधर आपको ना आपका नाम लिखना है. My power pack money statement. This is the kind of affirmation आपको जो भी लगता है आप अभी लिखेंगे. Everyone is going to do this live. My power pack money statement. एक
What do you
ऐसा
do to write in this power pack money statement?
one statement which you really like about money. Like for me, like money comes to me with ease, joy and glory is what I say. तो ऐसा एक आपका कुछ स्टेटमेंट रहेगा जो आप खुद को लाइक बोलते रहेंगे या नहीं बोलते तो एक क्रिएट कीजिए खुद का एंड उसको लिखिए. This again we all will be doing live right now.
3 में भर दिए अपने।
मेरे तो एक में ही भरा हुआ है।
चलो
वही मेरे पूरा मेरा नहीं है।
Once you do that, after that आपने कल मिशन और विजन बनाया था आपका, राइट एवरीवन? तो आपको आपका मिशन और विजन लिखना है अभी।
हाँ ये हटाओ, ये सब गंदे कपड़े हैं ये। देखो ये वाले ये पुराने जैसे हैं, ये सब पुराने जैसे हैं। बता
ये ओ भाई ये
एंड एक बार मिशन विजन खत्म हो जाए तो बताना मेरे को, वी विल टेक इट फर्दर।
Done.
एंड अपन ने ऑलरेडी अपना 1 ईयर का आउटकम उस दिन डिसाइड किया था, याद है सबको? 25 किए थे, फिर उसमें 6 किए थे, 6 में अपन ने 5 किए थे, 5 के बाद 4, 3, 2 एंड 1 लिया था। तो उसका जो एक आउटकम आप लोग ने सोचा था, उसके लिए आपको मिनिमम 5 स्टेप्स what you are going to take to achieve that 1 year outcome, you have to write them, the 5 steps. Once you guys are done till this, let me know so that we can take it further.
I didn't quite get this 5-point thing.
These are the 5 things, like अभी आपने उस दिन याद है एक्सरसाइज किया था आउटकम का, wherein आपने पहले 25 things लिए थे, फिर उसमें से आपको मैंने 6 बोला था, 6 में से then I told you to take only 5, then I told you 1. So that was the outcome, like your outcome was 100 crores rupees you want to earn in a year करके. So now what you have to do is that you have to write down the 5 steps which you feel that if you take those 5 steps, it will help you to achieve that 100 CR.
Achha, not something that we have already done. You just mentioned something that we have already done. So it's not that we have not done that, right? We have to just think on that and write.
Yeah, you have to think on that. Like we have already done that exercise, I'm saying. So uska apne outcome but पे सोचा रहेगा, right? कि how you are going to earn that 100 CR.
Yeah.
So that's what you have to write over here. Now
5 action points you need, no?
Correct. Which will help you to achieve that target of yours.
Yes.
Whatever it is, 1 CR, 100 CR, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, या कुछ भी हो, घर खरीदना है, गाड़ी खरीदना है. बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, आपका जो है उस हिसाब से आपको लिखना है। If you guys are done with that, just type in D so that I know we can take it further. 5 steps ka. Okay. Super. Now everyone knows what are embedded commands. Embedded words होते हैं. No, anyone over here who don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. एम्बेडेड वर्ड्स होते क्या है जो अपन को ना अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. बेसिकली अपन बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं, लाइक डिस्काउंट, ऑफर और मनी, सेक्स, लव. There are so many words which attract us basically. Okay, so these are called as embedded words, and mostly marketing में it is used a lot to attract customers or to close customer deals के लिए. So like if you act now, so you will get 10% discount. So what Gaurav ji will think, okay, yeah, I should act now so that I can get that 10% discount. So it's all about words. So उसी तरह what you have to do is that you have to make 3 statements related to this activity. आपका जो भी task आपको जो achieve करना है ना, उसके लिए आपको 3 ऐसे statements बनाने हैं आपके खुद के लिए, which are embedded commands, because embedded commands जो होते हैं ना आपके subconscious mind को already वो पता रहता है, and the moment आपका subconscious mind जब वो सुनता है ना, it already gets excited. If I tell now कि this offer is valid only for the next 10 minutes, so now you know offer 10 minutes, next 10 minutes. ये embedded already रहता है क्योंकि अपन बचपन से ये सब चीज सुनते आए. You have to be here in next 10 minutes. ये काम मेरे को 10 मिनट में करके चाहिए. Everywhere you have heard such kind of things. So these are already embedded in you. So ऐसे आपको 3 commands, अभी अगर आपको नहीं सूझ रहे तो ठीक है, you can take the time and you can do it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But then you have to make such commands which you will use every day to do this task of yours. Clear everyone? Like for me, I use one command like I am moving towards financial freedom every day.
Sorry, Saurav, I didn't get that because I think your voice lagged totally. I didn't hear.
All right. So these embedded commands are
We
basically...
have that embedded command again. What did you say for that?
Yeah, what I'm saying is that these commands are the words basically which our subconscious mind relates to it very well. Like suppose if I tell you, if you buy this program right now, I will give you 10% offer, discount. So your subconscious mind has already been embedded with these words like discounts, offers, now. So what you will do is that you will act now because your subconscious mind already know these things. So such kind of words you have to think about. And you have to make a statement for yourself, 3 statements, which already have these embedded words in them. And you have to use these commands in order to achieve your outcome. आपका जो भी लिखा है आपने 1 year का outcome. So like I will give you one example of mine. Like for me, one statement I use is that I'm moving towards financial freedom every day. So financial freedom, everyone relates to. The subconscious mind relates to it very well without thinking about much.
Saurabh, how will you differentiate between embedded commands and money affirmations?
Money affirmations are also kind of embedded commands only. If you see, these are also embedded commands itself. But then what happens with money affirmation is that the same thing, if you keep on repeating, it gets embedded in you.
Okay.
Okay, it's like as simple as that कि अभी मैंने आपको ABCD लिखना चालू किया, सिखाया, तो आप एक बार करोगे, दो बार करोगे, तीन बार करोगे. The moment you start practicing it again and again, it gets embedded in you. Now it's very easy for you to write ABCD. You don't have to think much about it.
So the money affirmations that I will write, say today, in gradual course of time, they will become my embedded commands.
Absolutely, 100%. It will become your embedded commands by default. थोड़े time में जाके.
And I just one more thing. Can I write this thing as an embedded command? More sales, more profit.
Yes, whatever your subconscious mind gets happy with and gets related to, that's what you have to write. Everyone clear? Like मेरा एक command है, like I love getting learned from rich people. So rich is something which everyone gets connected to, the brain gets connected to. Love is something like everyone gets connected to, my brain also gets connected to. Oh wow, love. So I've embedded these commands in my mind. Ki I love getting trained, or I love getting learned from rich people. I love learning things from rich people. That's one of the commands which I use. So you can write these 3 embedded commands of yours. You can do it later on if you're not able to get those commands right now. The next is the money affirmations. So you have to write minimum 5 money affirmations which you really like and you feel like telling it time and again to yourself.
इसमें ये क्या करना है?
बोलिए तिवारी जी, आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं, सॉरी.
ना 5 तरह के बता रहे हैं जो मनी अफर्मेशन, क्या इसमें है?
हाँ, कोई भी आपके अफर्मेशन आपको जो अच्छे लगते हैं तो वो मनी अफर्मेशंस आप उसमें लिख सकते हो आपके हिसाब से.
अच्छा ठीक, ओके.
जो भी 5 मनी अफर्मेशंस आपको अच्छा लगता है वो लिख सकते हो.
ये अफर्मेशन सही है, आई कैन अर्न लॉट.
मेरे को गलत लगेगा, बट आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को क्या लगता है गौरव जी?
मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, व्हाट डज योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड से कि इसका राइट वर्ड्स क्या होने चाहिए? इसको मैं बेटर.
I love money, money loves me.
Okay.
So it's getting related to your.
Okay.
Again, if I am saying something, it should get connected with your subconscious mind also. You should buy that. Your subconscious mind should buy that. If it is not buying it, then don't do that. Just because I am saying you to use that. Yeah, good, Ujjwala ji.
Okay.
The last thing which you have written, today I see evidence of abundance all around me. If you can reframe it like, today I see signs of abundance all around me, because evidence is something like if I'm doing something wrong and you're asking me for the proofs, ki, acha, show me the evidence for that. So it is not that kind of good word for the subconscious mind to get related to. So if you want, you can just rephrase it to like, today I see signs of abundance all around me.
Evidence can also mean that I've already seen the money. It's already there with me. It can also mean that, right?
Yeah, it can. But then evidence अपन क्या बोलते हैं? Like suppose if I am talking to you and I tell you कि this program is there of mine, so you will say, अच्छा, show me the evidence of what
No,
is
no,
the. हाँ.
that is another perspective
Correct.
altogether.
Yeah, absolutely
Here,
right.
I'm saying
हाँ.
that I have seen evidence that money has already come to me. I've seen it that way.
Okay. All right. Yeah, then you can write it. That's absolutely fine. Everyone's clear with this money affirmations? Just type in MF guys so that I can move ahead. सभी लोग MF type कीजिए chat box में so that मैं आगे का सिखाऊं आप लोग को. What about others are still doing it? Done. Great. So I assume almost everyone has done this. Now, आप लोग ये बीच में एक सर्कल देख रहे हो, right? For me, success means इसमें आप लोग को आपका डेफिनेशन डालना है जो आपको लगता है आपके लिए सक्सेस क्या है. For me, success means what? Like for Ujjwala ji, like earning 100 CR is a success for her. ठीक है? So for me, it would be like earning 1 CR is a success for me. So everyone will have success का parameters and definition different. So आपके दिमाग को क्या लगता है, like you feel yes I have arrived, I am successful करके, वो चीज को आपको your लिखना है success.
When you talk about success, Saurabh, in this case, you're only talking about financial success, right? Success can include a lot of things. You're just talking about the financial aspect of it, right?
Yeah, Saurabh's voice is gone.
Now, since we are working on the money,
so we would be looking into the money aspects only. Success is anything, like suppose my daughter or my son gets into medical thing, that's a success for me. It can be a success for me, right? So success can be anything, but then right now we are working on the money. So as per for your money, what is success for you?
We are covering the financial aspect only.
Absolutely, yeah, because this is your money blueprint. It is not your general life ka blueprint.
Like that.
For me, getting my son or daughter getting married also is a success for me. There are people like,
absolutely.
So that is what. So right now we are not getting into those things. It's only related to money. If you see, अभी तक मैंने आपको जितना भी चीज दिया, सब money related ही आपको बोला है करने को. I didn't get this, Gaurav ji. For me, success is when I don't see right side of menu.
See the price is mentioned on the right side.
Menu card ka. Okay.
Anything that you buy, that is price is mentioned on the right side.
Correct. Yeah, that you can do. Similar to this, I also have, like, for me, success is whenever I go to a mall, I will buy something without looking at the tag. So that is a success for me. So
it is the same similar thing that I've bought.
Right. Yeah, that's one of my things. So you can write that. Whatever feel good to you, you can write. I don't worry about money at all. What money you are talking about? Like 100 rupees, 100 euros, 1000 euros. What is that money? You need to be specific. Rashmi ji. You will have $100 or 100 euros in your account, so you won't get worried about that, or you will get worried about money is money, right? Everyone's done with this success. Just type in S so that I can take it further, guys.
Yes.
Good. Chalo. Now, we will come into this my money personality I want to be. ये देख रहे हो लाइन? आप सबको मनी पर्सनालिटी सिखाया था यशस्वी ने, एंड बोला भी था कि आप अभी कौन से मनी पर्सनालिटी हो एंड आपको कौन से मनी पर्सनालिटी में जाना है करके. So you have to write that money personality of yours which you want to be in. You want to be a saver, you want to be a hoarder or a masser, whatever it is, or a monk, जो भी आपके हिसाब से आपको बनना है, you have to write that money personality over here. And वो चीज बनने के लिए at least minimum 3 traits आपको क्या अपनाने पड़ेंगे so that you can be that. Suppose if I want to be a saver and I am a spender right now, so I will write I want to be a saver. एंड सेवर बनने के लिए मेरे को क्या करना पड़ेगा? आई हैव टू स्पेंड मनी वाइजली, जुडिशियसली और वट एवर थिंग्स. एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 3 थिंग्स लिखो उसके. And everyone's done, so just type in P for personality so that I know you guys are done.
These are also action points, Saurabh.
Sorry?
These are also action points, 5 action points for the personality we want to achieve.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, what you will do to be that personality. If you're switching
Action
your personality, so what is that
Yes.
like you are going to do?
Yes, right.
Only अनीता जी का हुआ है. गौरव जी का भी हो गया.
Sorry, मेरा नहीं होगा. I had missed that class, so I'll have to listen to the lecture again, recording, and then I'll
Oh,
put it down.
No problem. You can do that
That day the
later.
net wasn't there. I was done. Hanji, I'll do that.
अच्छा, no problem. ठीक है. So I assume सभी का हो गया रहेगा अभी. So now we will come to this bracket, this quadrant, which is called as my ultimate 1 year outcome is. ये आप लोग को ऑलरेडी पता है आपका 1 year का आउटकम क्या है. Like गौरव जी wants 20 CR, उज्ज्वला जी wants 100 CR. तो आपका जो भी 1 year का आउटकम है उसको सिर्फ आपको उधर लिखना है. My ultimate 1 year outcome is to earn 20 CR by end of so and so date. It's 1 year, so but obvious like we are in September, so next September तक, by next September 17 तक I want to earn so and so date. Once you are done this, just type in O for outcome so that I can go ahead. Super. Chalo. Now we will come on to the next quadrant. This is the one. 3 skills I will use in my daily life to achieve this 1 year outcome. आपको अभी 3 मिनिमम स्मॉल से स्मॉल स्किल्स आपको लिखनी है आपके बारे में, जो आप अगर वो स्किल्स को यूज करोगे डेली लाइफ में आपके, दैट विल हेल्प यू टू अचीव दिस 1 year आउटकम. वो सोचो वो 3 स्किल्स क्या आप लोग की आपके हिसाब से. Like for me, it can be like saving money, X amount of money every month, or investing X amount of money every month. So 3 skills which you already have, which you will be using, or you will be developing that skill and you would be using on a daily life. रोज 1 साल के लिए आप यूज करोगे इस चीज को. And once you have done with the 3 skills, just type in 3. Oh, great. सबका हो गया. ठीक है. The second last quadrant, this one, is called as my ultimate immediate outcome is. आपका एक फाइनल इमीडिएट आउटकम जो आप अभी से लेना चालू कर रहे हो आज से, उसको आपको लिखना है इसमें. इट कैन बी अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग ऑल्सो. जैसे अभी अपन ने जो थोड़ी देर पहले टास्क किया था उसमें आपने एक सबसे स्मॉल आउटकम लिखा था. तो दिस कैन बी अ वेरी स्मॉल आउटकम ऑल्सो विच यू आर गोइंग टू टेक फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स. आउटकम आपका जो है वो लाइक 20 CR के लिए आपका एक आउटकम होएगा कि आप एटलीस्ट ये करेंगे तो आपको 20 CR के लिए यू कैन गो अहेड. दैट इज द वन आउटकम, स्मॉल आउटकम विच इफ यू दैट्स वी कैन कॉल इट एज अ माइलस्टोन. कि ये माइलस्टोन मैंने अचीव किया तो फिर उसको मैं पार करके दूसरा माइलस्टोन पे जा सकता हूँ या तीसरा माइलस्टोन पे. तो दैट माइलस्टोन यू हैव टू पुट इट ओवर हियर बेसिकली. If everyone is done, just type in U. Great. Now the last thing is following actions and decisions I have made to increase my money. अभी ये जो 20 CR है या 100 CR है जो आपने कमाने का सोचा है, तो उसको लिए आपने बट ऑफिस कुछ ना कुछ एक्शंस और डिसीजंस लिए सोचे रहेंगे जो आप लेने वाले हो या करने वाले एक्शंस को. तो यू हैव टू राइट दोस 5 actions and decisions over here which you are going to take to achieve this 20 CR.
Saurabh, will it be same as the 5 steps I will take to achieve my 1 year money outcome?
Yes, it is similar to that.
As mentioned on the right side third.
Yeah, but then इसमें
Can I write the same things?
Yeah, you have to put in the actions also. इसमें. And the decisions.
I didn't get it.
Can you give me like the 5 steps आपने क्या डाला था उसमें? I will take to achieve my 1 year monthly outcome.
Okay, जैसे मेरा business के लिखा था to start exports.
Okay.
One of the
All right. So you can take one action like to start export. We have more than 283 countries in the world. Where are you going to start it first?
Okay.
So you have to be specific. You have to take one action like decision. Okay, I will start exporting this to Nigeria or Canada or whatever country you want to.
Whatever country.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that specific decisions you have to put in over here, or the actions you have to put in over here.
Like Gaurav, for the 5 steps, I have put a target amount, right? So for my target amount, I have written in 5 steps that I will. One second, where did it go? Yeah. Okay. So like for me, for the 5 steps, like I've written, okay, I will ensure that my SIPs go diligently. I will do the top up to achieve my 65% per month. I will monitor the portfolio for increased increase, and I will ensure that any unutilized funds which are lying around get invested so as to increase the portfolio amount. तो अभी मैं following actions में क्या लिखूंगी?
हाँ, so देखिए अभी आपने जो 5 steps में लिखा है कि I would be investing money in SIP, right?
Correct.
So now you have to take action and decision कि आप कितना invest करोगे उसमें. Are you investing 1 rupee or 10 rupee or 1 CR or 10 CR, what it is? You have to take that decision.
I've already put that amount there.
अच्छा,
तो वही step आ गया basically.
Then you have to put that over here only. Correct.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Yes, the same thing you have to put over here.
The same step will come here. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. Good. If everyone is done, just type in D so that we can take it further. Great. Super. So इसमें सिर्फ एक चीज मैं भूल गया, डेट का. तो डेट तो you can put in जो भी dates रहेंगे, that's self-explanatory. So अपन परसों बनाएंगे after 2-3 days, so you can put the date that day का. ठीक है? Any doubts anyone has got before I close this? Clear. So I am closing this. Everyone is done, I assume, right? And we have already shared it in the WhatsApp group. Yashaswi ne already shared kiya hai. So you can take the printout of this. And if possible, take a color printout. चलो. कोई किसको कोई doubts है? Anything like before we go further? Any clarification? कोई कुछ?
No, it's clear.
Okay, good. ठीक है. So that was the end of the session for today. Basically, these were the 2 topics which I wanted to teach you guys. How was the session, guys?
Good. Really good.
Thank you.
Very engaging, actually.
Thank you so much. So I guess people are not there on desk, I feel.
या तो हाथ को काम देते हो या दिमाग को काम देते हो.
या अच्छा है ना कुछ काम करना चाहिए. ऐसे वैसे बैठे रहेंगे तो यू विल गेट बोर्ड, यू विल नॉट एंजॉय द सेशन. So that's what I do. ठीक है, तो चलो, you guys want to play that game ABCD वाला, तो we'll play that.
Yes, yes.
ठीक है, तो because कल भी खेल नहीं सके थे, भाग गए थे सब लोग, तो let's play that game today for next 15 minutes or so. आ जाओ सब लोग live, बच्चे बनते हैं अपन आज वापस से.
Putting off the recording, are you?
Yeah, it's getting recorded, na? I will give you the recordings. Yashvi, can you share that thing, ABCD, alphabet chart? I guess Yashvi is not there today. She's there. चलो, everyone is tired right now, so एक बार सब खड़े हो जाओ before we start this game. And you guys want break, तो चलो 2 मिनट का break लेते हैं. Everyone freshen up because थोड़ा अपन बहुत intense चीज की है अभी, तो I understand that everyone is in that intense mood. So I will give sharp 2 minutes का break to everyone. जाके वो.
Are we doing this exercise standing or sitting? Just earlier, just like.
We can do. आप लोग बोलो. I can do anything. Standing करना standing करते हैं, sitting करना sitting करते हैं. I am fine with that.
I prefer to sit.
Okay. I'll be sitting too.
All right, ठीक है.
Okay, then let's keep it sitting.
ठीक है, चलेगा. So I will give 2 minutes break, guys. Everyone can freshen up, and then we'll be back.